today, it may seem obvious that human beings can go up to space and do just fine. Lots of astronauts, more than 500 of them, have gone to space and survived. And as you saw, they even seem to be having a really good time while they're there, floating and flipping around. But scientists have continued to study astronauts who spend longer and longer amounts of time in space, and they've discovered some strange things that start to happen. Just recently, scientists at NASA studied what happened to astronaut Scott Kelly after he spent a year in space. That's one of the longest times anyone has ever stayed in space. To study what happened to Scott, scientists looked at his traits, or physical characteristics, and they compared what he was like before and after he went to space. Traits include all of the things you notice about someone when you look at them, like what kind of hair they have, if they have hair, the color of their eyes and color of their skin, and how tall they are. Traits can also include things you can't see directly, but that you might be able to measure. Like, you could measure how strong someone is by testing how many weights they can lift. Or you could test how fast they run by timing them with a stopwatch. Scientists noticed changes in some of Scott Kelly's traits after he'd been in space. If you had to guess, which traits do you think might change from being in space?